along, let's count today. 5 little ducklings want to play. Splashing, swimming, having fun. Let's count together. Everyone, whoa! 5 little ducklings, quack, quack, quack. Waddling together down the little track. Splash in the water, swim all around. Happy little ducklings, the cutest friends in town. One little duckling found a shiny shell. Holding it proudly, look what I found. Splashing through the sparkling stream, everything felt like a happy dream. Count together. 1, 2. 2 little ducklings chased butterflies, dancing beneath the sunny skies. They twirled around with joyful cheer, laughing because their friends were near. Count together. 1, 2, 3. 3 little ducklings floated downstream, following fish with a gentle gleam. Lily pads bounced beneath their feet. Every adventure felt so sweet. Count together. 1, 2, 3, roar. 4 little ducklings played hide and seek, peeking around the cattails creek. Dragonflies sparkled